When temperatures drop and the snow starts falling, it's a good idea to have tire chains, sometimes called snow chains, on your tires to provide an additional layer of traction in deep snow and on ice so you can stay safe on the road. Guys, can we 86 the snow? Thanks. Installing tire chains can be a little tricky. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and safely. Before we get started, you want to make sure your car is parked in a safe, open place on a level surface. Turn off the car and keep the parking brake engaged until it's time to move forward. For front-wheel drive cars, you only need chains on the front tires. For rear-wheel drive, you only need them on the back. For all-wheel drive cars, chains should be placed on all 4 tires. Lastly, make sure you read the instructions that come with your tire chains. Each chain type will have different methods for fastening and installation. Once you take the chains out of the packaging and have them untangled, you'll lay them on the ground next to the corresponding tires. In the case of this vehicle, the tire chains will go on all 4 tires. Next, fit them over the top of the tire. Make sure they're straight and hanging down like this. Tuck the chains between the bottom of the tire and the ground to hold them in place when you drive forward. It's important to note that some chains use ring fasteners and fasten on the inside of the wheel. This means you'll need to work under your vehicle to install them properly. Now that the chains are placed onto the tires, slowly move your vehicle forward just a bit so the unfitted part of the tire becomes exposed. Pro tip, for the front tires, turn the wheel to the inside of your car to give yourself easier access to the unfastened portion of the chain. Now connect the chains together to cover the rest of the tire. Make sure that the inner and outer connections are aligned. Repeat for the remaining tires, and there you have it. Also, before hitting the road, it's a good idea to drive about 100 feet and retighten the chains to make sure you're good to go. And again, different brands of tire chains have different methods of installation, so please make sure you read the instructions as well as your owner's manual carefully. If you need any additional help, stop by your neighborhood discount tire for tire chain purchasing and installation. Thanks for watching.